Hey, gamers! I was stuck on that annoying logging into online services freeze in Call of Duty, but I found a quick fix. Let's get you back in the game. Start by opening File Explorer on your Windows PC, click the folder icon on your taskbar or hit Windows key and E together. Super simple. In File Explorer, look at the left sidebar and click This PC to see your drives and folders. Now find the Documents folder in this PC. Double-click to open it. Inside Documents, hunt for a folder called Call of Duty. It might say Modern Warfare or Black Ops, depending on your game. Here's the fix. Right-click the Call of Duty folder and hit Delete. Confirm if it asks. Done and dusted. Close File Explorer and launch Call of Duty. The game will rebuild that folder and the freeze should be gone. Quick note, deleting the folder is safe, but you might need to reset custom settings like keybinds. If the issue sticks around, verify game files in Steam or Battle.net or check for updates. That's it. You're good to go. Thanks.